Good Wednesday evening. It's been a warm and humid day. Some of us have already received some showers and thunderstorms, and others are still in progress. We've got 82 currently at the airport, made it up to 87 this afternoon. Dew points have climbed. It's in the sticky 70s. That is very oppressive in terms of the humidity feeling. 73, the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, a dew point of 67, and there have been some showers and thunderstorms. Even if you haven't received the rain, just the cloudiness from some of those showers and thunderstorms or the outflow of the cooler wind helping to knock the temperatures down. As mentioned, 82 at the airport, 76 in Palmyra. You've got more storms off to your south. You've had a couple of rounds of showers and storms. 77 in Louisa. You were hit earlier. Rockingham County, you have been. Harrisonburg, 74 currently. We'll take a look at NBC29's Doppler radar over the last several hours. Activity's generally been moving off to the northeast at about 15 to 25 miles an hour. We'll zoom in on some of the action now, and the strongest storm is currently in southern Fluvanna County. This is near the Fork Union area, and you can see some of the frequent lightning that's occurring here. This storm capable of producing winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and potentially some small hail. We do see with our hail tracker maybe some small to medium-sized hail that would still be under an inch in diameter, but nonetheless a stronger storm here right along the James River there in southern Fluvanna County. That's tracking up into Cumberland. Here we are across northern Albemarle along the Blue Ridge and points east. You can see from Doylesville out toward Boonesville, up toward Haneytown and Standardsville, back toward Elkton. Some showers in progress here, but some of these areas were hit earlier this afternoon. There's kind of the review over the last several hours. Now, even when the sun goes down here this evening, we do anticipate that there'll still be some more storms that will likely develop later ahead of a cold front. So the potential is still there for some isolated severe storms that could produce some damaging wind gusts and some spotty large hail. Of course, any storm producing frequent lightning and heavy downpours. Also, our northernmost communities are outlooked for maybe some excessive rain with repeat storms potentially. So that's why a flood watch is in effect until early tomorrow morning. Overnight lows generally muggy in the mid and low 60s across the region. Temperatures tomorrow, most of us in the low and mid 80s east of the Blue Ridge, around 80 in the Shenandoah Valley. It'll be breezy, but a drop in the humidity will certainly feel refreshing. And we've got that basically for Thursday and Friday. Our next storm system moves in here on Saturday. Will be much cooler with a good chance of rain on Saturday, at least through the afternoon potentially. Meanwhile, we've got a cold front out to the west, a developing storm through the Ohio Valley. That's why a tornado watch box is here across Illinois and, Indiana back into Ohio, and there have been some tornado reports across that portion of the country. The main storm is going to lift up toward the interior northeast, but it'll drag the cold front through here as we go into the overnight period. Still, we've got that warm, soupy air mass ahead of the front. So here we are with Futurecast depicting some of the storms this evening, then a break in the action, but as we get closer toward midnight and beyond, even though this will be in a weakening fashion, we could certainly have some heavy downpours, some rumbles of thunder overnight, and then by morning things are improving. Clouds give way to sunshine. Temperatures Thursday afternoon, most of us in the low 80s, that drop in the humidity. We start Friday morning in the 50s, and then Friday afternoon, most of us will top out in the low 80s. There's our next storm in here on Saturday. So showers and a few thunderstorms here tonight, some with locally heavy rain. We're in the 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Improving conditions with a drop off in the humidity for tomorrow and Friday, and then we'll watch that storm on Saturday. Improving conditions by Sunday, it currently looks like, and temperatures heat up next week into the 90s.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you.